Good morning, mathematicians. Today I'm going to start with correcting our answers from yesterday. They were hard to see on Seesaw, and I just wanted to go over them again so you can practice finding area and perimeter. If you have the sheet from yesterday, that'd be great to take it out and see if you got the right answer. The first problem, we had a rectangle that had a measurement of 5 centimeters by 4.5. My area is length times width, and I did 5 times 4.5. And what I did is I made a ratio table. I actually counted by 5s. 1, 5, 2 is 10, 3 is 15, 4 is 20, and then I skipped because that would be where my 4.5 is. 5 is 20. And I said, now I just need that half. Well, what's half of 5? Half of 5 is 2.5. And then what I did is I went, oh, the 20 plus the 2.5 is 22.5, which gives me my 4.5. Or I could have thought, what's halfway between the two numbers 20 and 25, which is 22.5. So my answer for area for the first problem was 22.5 centimeters. Ooh, squared. Then we did perimeter. Perimeter equals 2 of my lengths and my width. So length and width and width. So I have 5 and 4.5. And I'm going to add those together and I get 9.5. And now I'm going to times it by 2 because I have 2 lengths and I have 2 widths. So a double 9 is 18. Double half is 1. 18 and 1 is 19 centimeters. The last problem, or the second problem that you did, is we knew what area was, but you had to find the dimension for length. So something times something equals my area. 6 times something is 48. 48 equals length times 6. So I counted by 6 to see how many 6s would get me to 48. I did 1, and then I did my double, 12, and then I doubled again for 24, and then I doubled again for my 8, which got me to 48. And so my length, my missing dimension, is 8 centimeters. Now that I have that, I can find my perimeter. My perimeter is 2 lengths and 2 widths because I have 2 lengths and 2 widths. So my length plus my width, 8 plus 6 is 14. I'm going to double it because I have the 2. Double 14 is, double 10 is 20. Double 4 is 8. 20 and 8 is 28 centimeters. So there you go. And I'm now going to do another video for the lesson. So make sure you click on for that lesson.